The world is going to end. Well, someday. The only question is how. Here are the top 5 most likely ways that humanity will meet its end. Number 5. Asteroid impact. Let's start with the classic nightmare. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a new star that gets brighter every single day. Except it's not a star. It's a mountain-sized asteroid heading straight for Earth. About 66 million years ago, an asteroid roughly 6 miles wide slammed into our planet and wiped out around 75% of all species, including the dinosaurs. The impact released more energy than billions of nuclear bombs. Today, astronomers track thousands of potentially dangerous asteroids, but space is enormous. If a large enough object slipped through our defenses, humanity could be facing a global catastrophe with nowhere to run. But that's only number 5. Number 4. Climate change. Unlike asteroids, this threat isn't coming from outer space. It's already happening. Rising temperatures, stronger storms, worsening droughts, failing crops, and rising sea levels are affecting parts of the world right now. Most scientists don't think climate change will directly wipe out humanity overnight. The real danger is what happens when billions of people are forced to compete for shrinking resources like food, water, and habitable land. History shows that civilizations struggle when resources become scarce. Scale that up to the entire planet, and the consequences could be difficult to imagine. But the next threat could happen much faster. Number 3. Nuclear war. For decades, humanity has lived under the shadow of nuclear weapons. A large-scale nuclear exchange wouldn't just destroy cities. It could darken the skies. Scientists have warned that massive firestorms could send enough smoke into the atmosphere to block sunlight for years. Temperatures would drop, crops would fail, global food supplies could collapse. Even countries far from the explosions could suffer devastating consequences. What's terrifying is that the technology already exists, right now. And the next threat may be even more dangerous. Number 2. Bioengineered pandemic. Nature has created deadly diseases before, but what if humans accidentally or intentionally created something worse? Advances in biotechnology are making it easier than ever to manipulate viruses and bacteria. A highly contagious pathogen with an extremely high fatality rate could spread across the globe before anyone fully understood what was happening. Modern civilization depends on people moving around the world every day. The same transportation systems that connect us could also help a dangerous pathogen spread at unprecedented speed. But, according to many experts, there's one threat that could surpass them all. Number 1. Artificial superintelligence. This is the scenario that keeps some of the world's leading scientists and technology experts awake at night. Imagine an AI that's not just smarter than humans. Imagine one that's smarter than every human on Earth combined. A true artificial superintelligence could potentially improve itself, becoming more intelligent again and again at speeds we can't even comprehend. The danger isn't necessarily that it becomes evil. The danger is that it becomes indifferent. If its goals don't perfectly align with ours, humanity could become an obstacle rather than a priority. And once something vastly smarter than us exists, controlling it may no longer be possible. The scary part? Unlike asteroid impacts or the death of the sun, this is one of the few threats on this list that could potentially emerge within our lifetimes. So what do you think? Which of these 5 threats is the most likely to end humanity? Asteroid impact, climate change, nuclear war, a bioengineered pandemic, or artificial superintelligence? Let me know in the comments, and follow for more crazy space facts.